Sharp, è clear.
Per contrastare i segni dell'età meriti un siero che li combatta tutti. Siero Leduno da L'Oréal Paris, l'innovazione ispirata. Per contrastare i segni dell'età meriti un siero che li combatta tutti. Siero Leduno da L'Oréal Paris, l'innovazione ispirata da 40 attivi rigeneranti in una texture sensoriale. Siero Leduo per contrastare i 10 segni dell'età solo da L'Oréal Paris.
La potenza è nelle tue scelte. Lexus NX Hybrid e Plug-in Hybrid. Con noleggio a lungo termine quinto, tuo da €399 al mese per 36 mesi.
Now let's go there. This makeup not for sucking Eddie Murphy. They are adulterous woman. You understand? They go bring DNA test come. Now your husband start this DNA test for social media. And that's why I go manu. My body my body. I want to fix eyelash. The body don't kaka. The body will kaka. It's my eyelash. It's my eyelash. Isha.
Scopri la nuova edizione limitata.
E body na kaka ne. Na igom. want to come again. Sharply as the hot smoke we end the music, we'll go straight to the reason why you see me like this on this moon today. Una know if I dress like this now, something I want to talk about. You feel me so? Especially when you involve women. You got the point now. First of all, let me go straight to the reason why I just dress like this now, because of Isoke, Idahosa, the Emilogbe of Bobizua. You understand what I'm saying now? Una know Isoke at the movie why the social media or the social media news noisemaker, the elder brother of the deputy governor of Edo State. Now, I mean, wife, they dress like this. You understand? So I want to let the wife understand, say, don't be saying they make up. If you not, so that's why I do this makeup for live broadcast. So that she go learn how to do makeup. You understand? She go learn how to blonde the face. You understand? And also I don't put blush for here, and I don't put blush for here. You understand? Because you get why. So I dress up, I make up now. Unfortunately, my body don't dry. Because my body never dry. I for fix the eyelash. When you see how they dress, I they fix eyelash as a woman. It's okay. Before you come, say you want to talk to me, sit down for live video, then you dress. You go make up yourself. You go dress like the way I take dress. So you go sit down, make up me, they watch your own makeup, they go watch my own. You understand? This kind of lipstick, I don't want to talk like we are togi. You understand? Now this lipstick too. If you don't make up yourself for live broadcast, you can't talk to me down on one side. Now you also go further to say, maybe they use your hand to bury your children one after the other. That will not be a problem, because you know, say the children when you get now useless children. You don't really use your hand to spoil your children. As far as say your children they sleep with their sister for inside house, you get only one girl, princess. Also, as they go knock princess, all the rest of that 3 boys they go knock princess. They use their sister learn how to sleep with woman. Children when they reach 18 years, princess is just 16 years. Children when they reach 18 years, they begin to use their sister. They learn how to knock. Why? Because why? Now wait till then see you and your husband they do at the movie. The person train up a child the way she grow. When he or she grow up, he will not depart from it. The way you take train your children up, that's why you see, say, you can't leave your girl picking now with his brothers then. Come on, go supermarket, go buy something. Before you come, they'll give her a doggy. Before you come from supermarket, just go buy something from supermarket. Before you come back, your daughter and your own brothers go, they give her a doggy for your own room where your husband did. You see the reason why you sort people with children, because you don't really get wayward children. You understand? A 19-year-old son of yours, nothing explain how thief they come the house. Paraventure we know say thief don't come. It not explain because there was not like criminal, there was not like say thief come the house. That is the reason why your boy nothing explain say thief come the house. Now the question is this: what did they tell about body say? Release that boy to the biological father. Do you know who is the biological father? Release that boy to Omolaye. Yes. As I mention Omolaye now, we say if I work for follow up for Ogbe. People where they know who are they talk about. They know when Omolaye they friend you. Before the elder brother of the deputy governor come do your marriage. Who was the guy when you were dating? Omolaye. And after they paid your bride price in your father's house for Ogbe, the guy traveled back to Germany. Then you were still dating Omolaye in Ogbe there. You see they go Omolaye house. Omolaye see they bug you. And you got pregnant before you carried belle. Carry pikin, one person pikin, go give this idiot, this useless deputy governor for Edo State in Yeda brother. The useless Edo State deputy governor in Yeda brother. The mumuma. Thank for the gift. You understand? You carry person belle, go give the man. That one they think say that get pikin. Do paper for you, carry you go Germany. Whereas the pikin when you dey train for Germany, now another person you for Benin. Another person pikin, now you dey train for Benin. Now very simple thing. If you doubt, you say okay, remember they lie. Say I dey lie against you. No problem. Go do DNA test. I will pay for it. You understand? Any amount you spend for the DNA test, me I go pay. Do the DNA test. Post the results. It's simple thing. No argument. I will pay. If I lie, if fear go let you do DNA test. Your useless man wait for his house. That we don't stupid finish. The first achievement what the deputy governor of Edo State achieved now to arrest in senior brother with DSS. Because the guy talk truth. You see the family when I grow up from. You see the family when you marry. You see the routine. The deputy governor of Edo State, Honorable Dennis Deko Idahosa, the first achievement where he achieved as he become the deputy governor when he entered office, immediately he resumed, he was sworn into the office. The first achievement he achieved was to arrest his elder brother. You get my point now? You guys have no integrity. You in soccer, your mother, now Losho, your mother hustle for Spain, Vabiade Ato for Spain. Now your mother do a shower. When your father carry his son come, which one the one we senior? Michael, carry Michael come Germany. Michael run following man go Spain for Vabiade Ato Umanus. When did they bump your mother for Umanus Elin? Mother Elin, they use Bola finish Elin for Umanus. Iye-eki Zanza hey. Even my guy, if you chop for inside, my guy will get big lips, will get hepatitis BC. That's also let you know, say, your mother not go still get hepatitis BC because it's a transmitted disease. You get my point now? Now, your own mother was also sleeping with my guy. It's okay. Your own mother was also sleeping with my guy in Romanos for Spain, for Vabiade Ato. You understand? That Igbo man, Africa shop. Now inside the still bug your man, carry your man enter toilet, give your man doggy for Africa shop. Just go €5. 5 card. Eddie Murphy. Your so-called wife, Mama, your in-law. The bad name. Before your mother was deported with jeans ring. Your mother was deported from red lights for Belgium. When he say he don't cast for Spain, he migrate from Belgium, from Spain to Belgium. He don't see of Belgium, they don't yet go. He go sample himself for red lights. After she don't make up, wear jeans ring. Toto go swear, go be like egg roll. Ellie Toto go your swear like let's say punch blow. If you see Ellie Toto, that's so he be. Make me on your give. Heli to go punch, go stay for red light. They do on the show. People call the carrier, they price on. They go the price Heli. At the end of the day, now so police got a bust town. Police bust there now. Most of the people when they hustle, some of them get documents. Until Heli don't get documents. They bust the place. See say the woman to swear. As police one hold her for waist like you see one base. Police go hold to. And in she not a bad public hair. A two-way. Now police your home. If you move a problem. Ellie does not know how to speak Dutch. He don't know how to speak Spanish. The next way you will see in the shot, meaning police leave my public hair, police leave my baby, police leave my baby, police leave my baby, police. He cut the shot. Why this woman shouting police 72 high, police leave my baby, police 72 high, police. They shout police 72 high, police. Hold the baby. The baby was so strong to the extent. You don't use to prepare the drag. The drag and they put the drag itself. As I let the drag itself, no way, but don't hold the baby strong. And let be like rope. Which I'm going to tag the now somebody will grab a little bit. Bolo a little time to put a say, I don't get document. The next week we'll see with this ring. Now I need to reach Lagos, a car. Now Lagos, I live for go back close where we are go Bini. Lagos. This is what I tell you upon all the juju what they do. They put a leaf for deportation camp. And then they send message they go as juju upon juju, juju upon juju. All the native people they do juju. At the end of the day, they see deport Ellie straight back to Bongo, a car. Now so they need to go see himself for Nigeria. It's okay. Emi Logbe mama now they talk to. Who is Eli? Emi Logbe mother. In mama where they go juju for her. Struck the whole of her ground now. Kunaya big biagya. Beg. Amaye retire. As we speak, Eli is still a bed. It's okay. Make you find boy for her. We go the friend for giant. We go to send that money. But release you know. Some people now they abroad, just like for example, I they abroad, I get sister. My sister say, we go le akatopa moment. See find if your friend will be say, yes, see the house, no see the friend, at least you go see the support small. That was the same thing. And Lynn still they tell your own daughter it's okay. Make it so still find boy runs for abroad. We go the friend. In case, especially those who get document, if you case they come Nigeria, you go give them a way, they chop. Old woman, Dede to wait it do wash do it not go no come ordinary house enough to build. As he land back to Bongo, he be want go back chief. That chief tell us say, guy, you not here say with the forbidden for Olosho. Chief said you to what you don't do it be a get for vibe, but they have to for Spain. Now you want to give her. Now chief say on the carry. Make it vavia, make it move ahead. Now chief Bobizwa they pursue am I okay? Say as far as say you don't go use your toto, they go hustle for streets. You are no longer coming to his ass again. It's okay. As we speak, it's okay. Mother still they carry small boys they pass where they wear for his house there. So okay, mama Ellen also where they were. Eli Babonia life. Eli ye we be Eli market. See me from head to toe. Now maybe that Umenwan, what are they carry a picture of the good native daughter for Benin? Now I see they talk to you so. Still or still, upon you they carry by picture of good native daughter. I see they beat you. I not gonna leave you. You don't know why. The juju one and they carry and the name they go. It not they walk. Or not they rest. Or not they rest. Or not do collabo. At the end of the day, all want die for inside. Helena, you be the next person will go die now. Yes. Now you be the next person will go. Your picking will say you go next to again. You go waka loss. As you dey waka for my matter, you go waka loss. Let me talk. It's okay. You go shut tire for this video. Go and give us DNA test of Osaze. Who is the biological father of Osaze? Omolaye na be the biological father of Osaze. He impregnated you before you were migrated to Germany. You want, if I don't drag you, you will see here now where would be. Omolaye will still come and talk. You never see anything. Return the rightful because that picky no don't spoiler. Me no say Omolaye no go feel as no go accept that picky back again. He go dash you. Because when they fuck his sister, your husband at the buffet, you see the knock the bug in your brother wife inside toilet, he bug your brother wife inside your brother bedroom, he bug your brother wife. At the muffin now what you or what you on that big your he the same way your audio ordinary we your hand their own in-law audio still bug their own in-law. Pious still bug their own in-law. Una so-called deputy governor, he still bug their own in-law. Can you imagine? It's a buggy system. They are doing exchange by barter. Exchange of goods. Trade by what? Barter. Trade by barter. They use their woman, they trade. Trade by barter. Useless family. That's the same family who's the deputy governor of Edo State. See how they break down the name of the kingdom. They go send people, they break down the name of Edo people. When Edo people is electing a non-entity family without integrity, what do you expect? If you want to describe Deco, read the history of Deco. Deco was a fraudster in Canada. And so it's all the same thing with your own brother, Pious. They were all fraudster. Yahoo Boazama in Canada. Tell me the good thing you can talk about Deco, Dennis Idahosa, who is the deputy governor of Edo State. Whereby the mother and which the elder brother of Deco sleep with the mother. That's a very good history about Edo State. Now we can say about the Edo State. Edo State has produced a deputy governor who the elder brother was sleeping with the mother. Right. Put your hands together for Edo State. Edo State is going far. The truth is bitter. We will always say it the way it is. You get to my point now. I'll help you now read the history of Edo State now. The present history of Edo State. The present deputy governor of Edo State. Where basically they fuck their own sister, their own brother wife. The present deputy governor of Edo State, Honorable Dennis Deko Idahosa, the brother which is audio wife was being lashed by Ohan. To his brother. They bug themselves. You get my point now. We could not clap for Edo State. You are not clap for Edo State this morning. Edo for a reason. Edo for a reason. Edo for a reason. We just start. I'm going to share this video. Thank you for the admin. Thank you for all my gifters. Thank you. May God bless you guys who are out of national peace today. Edo for a reason. We're not to share this video, guys. As it holds. Today, what thing? Today, 9. Tomorrow is 10. Let's listen.
Thank you so much.
We're not sharing the video.
Edo State Council of Elders and the National Advisor Prince Roland iye-eki OKPAMEN have declared no bloodshed and let there be peace amongst members of the Edo State PIMA. The Edo State PIMA is highly respected for hosting bands from different ethnicities over the years in a peaceful and conducive atmosphere. The operation Let There Be Peace and Operation No Bloodshed are two clarion calls that are very necessary because of the dangerous political game one comrade Willie Renova is using our children to perform. Renova is a cultural artist who has spent about 20 years or more as a secretary and as a chairman and does not want to give way to others who contest. It should be recalled that the president of PIMA, Comrade Priti Okafor, in a letter dated 17 October 2025, Comrade Renova was instructed to quit the office as a chairman, and he instructed Comrade Benson Hara to take over from him as an interim chairman, whose term of reference is to, among other things, organize a credible election within the next 6 months. Renova became furious and wild over the development. The national advisor, Prince Roland, who doubled as chairman of the Edo State Elders Forum, waded into the matter and applied his wisdom to diffuse the scope. Completely hijacking the entire electoral process and ignore his letter of suspension. The action was proactively characterized by gross financial misappropriation, unprecedented irregularity.
On our way to Nigeria, on our way to why we are called. Hello? Hello? You live video? Later, you are through there.
And he has well over over 10 million naira of Pima's money in his possession as I'm talking now.
10 million naira. Pima's money.
The people are visibly annoyed. There are fears and apprehension. No one can predict the magnitude of this people's reaction, the children's reaction. The elders forum, in conjunction with the headquarters, now postpone the Edo State Pima election scheduled to take place on Wednesday, 10th December 2025. The election has been postponed and should not hold again. Trying to disorganize the electoral committee. Even the highly respected one Ghanaian issue was managing the affair was taken away by force because he did not like his president, was not dancing to his tune. And those are one of those big reasons the elders put together. The elders and the council shall meet to arrange a more credible election within the next 90 days for peace to reign.
Hippie man, music is life. Hippie man, music is life. When music is life, let's
I'm going to read this look at me. Yes. Oh, they say hippie man, he Africa. See, that it was so said it. So we are okay now. When we are saying.
All right. Sharply as the auto gonna very because no time to check time. You don't understand me now. You get my point now. You see this Pima people, these musicians in Edo State Pima, that is the Performing Musician Association of Nigeria. That's Pima. You got my point now. Let me hold my battle. Get what I hear now about the current president, which is the current governor of Pima, which is Mr. Hanover, who refused to hand over his position. And the election was supposed to go on tomorrow here, then the election was going on the 10th. You know, I announced some, I make us break the record. As they do, I'm going to for SARS. I make us break the record for Namiko here, which in this hall. When they want to make Esther, the lady of the lady of Zagazaga, you understand? The lady of the skeleton of song. They want to make her the president of Pima. You understand? She's contested as the president of Pima. Where she and in husband, in Mune husband, what they call her? What is name? My brother, my friend, we wanted to work. So when they want to use the influence, they go to campaign, they follow each musician union, qualified upper musician, they go there, they serve drinking or something. They want to use the way they put to Peru, you understand? They want to do people like that. And you can see they say, nah, Kapaman, they told you, very intellectual man, you got my point now. So now, they don't cancel that tomorrow election. 30 days, that's 90 days. You got about 90 days, about 3 months now. You understand? They go take finance, they go take systemize everything before them. The organization don't calm down because why? The president will want to come on, don't want to see no come on. Wahala on day, you don't understand? You get my point now. But that one on that topic from that deal. Mr. Hanover, you see, and they will talk back that one another topic for that day, so we don't go talk that one now for that. This one over penis, but you also need to give that for sharp as the hot. You get my point down. Now let's go back to Emilogbe Isoke. Emilogbe, what can the Murphy? A social media president or UTA. Social media president or UTA. Social media president or gas cooker UTA or jollof rice. Odo Norariku. First of all, every time the Murphy, uwe ojidoria o wa odorawe odo egodimu. Eh? My people make una list, as useless as Eddie Murphy. He said, armed robber come in house. They can't thief gold worth of 100,000 euros. Don't be dollars, 100,000 euros, according to Eddie Murphy. He also go for her to say police intervene. They call the police after the thief don't depart. They don't move. They don't zoom off. They call the police as usual in Europe. So police come. Police completed everything. They even their footstep. Police completed everything. Now please, my fellow Edo people, my fellow Nigeria people, we know how they be for Europe. Say, man, anything they stop like this, you must have evidence to show, so, okay, police really come, police see what the police write. Now, Mr. Edwin Idahosa, this is how the police work. Mr. Edwin Idahosa, your name, they go ask you your documents. Document, husband's BT passport, document, please. According to the police, you give them your documents. They will write your name, your surname, your age, your country of origin. You understand? They will write it there. The date your document will expire, the expiring date of your document, everything will be written down. Then your wife document, please. You write your wife's name, the age, everything will be jotted down. Then your children, they go write everybody within the house down. All your children name, children, they go write everything down. Now, what you say, miss, gold, silver, goro, they go jot everything down. How much you say all these things what? You don't understand me now? You go there and say what 100,000 euros, maybe plus, or let's say 80,000 euros. They go jot all these things down. So where you put them, you go see the bag where you put them. What is the color of the bag? The color of the bag where you put them. And I tell you how they work for Europe now. The color of the bag where you put those gold, they go write the color, now pink color, now blue color, now red color of luggage. Now you put them inside luggage. Which side of your house you put them? You say inside your bedroom, or you put them under your bed, or you put them on top of your luggage. Everything will be jotted down. If you see this gold, is there any way you can identify this one of this your gold? How does it look? Is it necklace or is it hand gold? Is it earring? They go write everything will be written down. They go photo start the paper. You go get one. You go sign. Your wife go sign. Then they go get one. You go get one. The one where they go the suit now for the to help you to locate, to find the gold. Now, bro, I beg. I use God beg you. The paper where they give you, where I just explain so, where police give you, as they come thief your gold, the paper like this where police give you, where the prince give you, all everything where they thief, they paper. If police really come your house as you claim, everything they stole from your house is documented. So please, can you please post one of the sheets? Don't forget the date where they come thief. So the time police jot everything down. Make sure say the time and the date show. Make the whole world know, say yes. Thief really come your house at the Murphy and the Socket. I use God beg you. I did this video 2 weeks ago. If you know say thief really come your house, show us the doc, show us proof. Show us proof. Say yes, thief come my house. Gonna see the paper. Now police give me this paper. Before the thief take my house, for the city and look at now police name be this one. Now police here, boku police here. See now this one they are symbol. Boku police here. Now be this one. Okay, this one my okay. Cover your name. Don't let them know your name. We all know your name. We all know your name. See this one are gold. Now see the bag, pink bag or yellow bag. Sell luggage. See my picking. See all of us waiting for the house. Police take on. Or God do one like that for us. It is very, very simple. Post time for help for us. Let's see. Oh, this man is really talking. Is really saying the truth. Thief really come in house. They really can't rob this man. That's simple thing. No fear one. I read bow of your son. Bell and body Murphy. The Murphy no you web your way. Oh, where we can get in an etomu. Etomu take by moon. A bocker me hate you. When I were ebon way on over gua or buwede. It's very simple. Erugere in an etomu. Who now etomu take by moon. A bocker me hate ya chinwe. Because why? Oh, good we have more gua. Where guam no banado. A gua good got the second. Oh, banapon netwa. Oh, we can madoyo. No, you take it on this one. I mean, we have to all bodon. We are more. It's okay for you. You are going with us. Say goodbye. You are going with us. Say goodbye. Anybody that the movie where you are here, boy, you are here, boy. Anybody that before you have whatever. Even the movie you not go very in there in the media. Now you are being today. And the movie now are not seeing both of book. And the movie who go away November. And the movie now you bought off your van. That kind of a person will not tell you say, go and swear your little goes for you. You'll kill yourself away. I test you. You understand? And the movie got very boy, you na lie. Or not even hearing you, or not you have very boy. But who are you? Eddie Murphy here titi ye born chief but bizwa ayoba obinikido arime ne here titi ye bona is sokenati mwebo gbera no we shut up. Is sokenati yera yake page or na yera monetize the page if ye China na me page di arime is sokenati titi ye bona. If you can humiliate your own father who is the chief in the palace, who is my father that you cannot insult. My father is a nobody. Anyway, no, I wear 3 be. We are the border. When I said, "Roviero, where a chief?" I about Binikido. When I think I'm going to better. You understand? We not tired life with you where you get around here. You is okay. You were insulting your father. A whole chief but this one Binikido. Now I am it's okay, you were insulting him. We not wake up better. We got me when you were insulting your father. So who is now my father that you cannot insult? Somebody will be chief of Bini. Where we say people they see and based on the money we get, but Bizwa moto, but Bizwa moto, but Bizwa moto, but Bizwa filling station, but Bizwa shopping mall, but Bizwa shopping mall, shopping so. At the end of the day, you see carry but Bizwa come out. You sagara. Let us know say he is messing on the bath. Then who is my father? My father will do leg like straw. They drink most people. Where leg makes sense, just cross leg like one can't make a man. They drink 3. Oh no, mama. Oh, my mother, you know, go for insult. And when I you get big nash, you big like one thing I don't know that I understand. He don't finish. If you feel insult your power God name, mama, what nobody know. Where don't die since 23 years now. 2022. Now my man don't leg up. We don't kick buckets. Now you want to insult you because they pay me. No, now. You don't understand. You don't get anybody parents where you want insult. Eddie Murphy and Isoke, where go pay them? My papa not get money. My papa not get filling station. My papa not get transport company. My papa not get shopping mall. Now your papa get everything. At the end of the day, you beat your papa on this media. Use a group page. You saga your papa. So if you can't insult my father, I'll be feedback. No, but I'm going to insult your back in return because we're not going to guy. You understand? Usually you're the president of the whole country. If you curse my own dead father, I will tell you that my dead father is what your father. To me, my father is the president of my family. He's the president of he's the king of my house. I'm telling you the truth. So what's your body right? I'm going to insult your own father. You get to my point now. It's very simple. You don't feel the vibes. You don't feel the vibes. You say your children will die for your eye. It's okay. It's with me say, for your light you go die. You don't feel get children. We God say bless me. That's the truth. You can never have kids like my children. You can never have children that are so intelligent like my children. God used that one to bless me. They are smart and intelligent. Also about blessing with the brain. And then now children, when you go see, you go get joy. Children, when we are daily, yes, that's my son. That's my daughter. Yeah, one in school, who taught her that you come before you have video. And they make you with the talk, with the vibe. It's so funny when they side beer and they get a not going to Obi mo ladian na ki page na the young content creator. Ona ma wene di movie na ya zugun na ya zedo because who was zedo. Iwe Kevin na mother for get the movie. My son was teaching your husband how to speak Benin fluently. Pikin with a born for Italy here. Your husband when say I don't know the try what your husband be. You never know how to speak Benin. Atewanta now. Other for my atewanta. Or what atewanta. Husband when say I don't know the try what your husband be. You never know how to speak with it. Social media president was wise. Worldwide, he was wise. Aproko Ebo Babunwe, a Dubabunwe, Ate Wanta, Wata. I can am without the water. I can am without the water. I can am without the water. Oh, then one time I'm Mudai. My social media president. Oh, they water. I want the water. I want water. Water. Hey, do. Water. Oh, Pablo. I want water. My social media president. What's what? My social media president. What's what? I want water. What talking, man? What talking, man? Here you do. What talking, man? I want the water. Again, we have Nyanyegbe Taloni Yagbirane. You see the regime we are now. We speak with truth and proof and evidence. You get my point now. When you are saying something now, give us proof. Everyone understand well. As you speak, we are truth day. People that are listening, they are not deaf, they are not dumb. And when I watch a video where the movie in our zoo, we can drop a lines the way they have already read what you are going to say. That's how smart the word has turned to now. You will sit down in your seat, your comfortable zone be speaking. They've reading everything in your house. Your body language will be read. I read anything. I don't know what kind of you. We already know where you are heading to. So that's why you see people don't stay too long on the broadcast anymore. People don't stay too long on the broadcast. As you are giving your life, they don't read you for 5 minutes. They don't know what you're going to say. They will just leave there. After you don't do the live finish, maybe they can't go back. They'll go screw down to the ending. Go see how it round up. That's how people watch video now. I'm talking from experience. I'm just talking for myself. As you speak, I'm not looking. I don't slow down. I don't know where the thing will end. Can I get what you mean? You don't upgrade. None of you guys you upgrade now. You're not the upgrade. You are still in one cycle. Cycle of lies. Deceiving people to make money from there. That cycle now still day. I wonder when I go to wake up. They see fly ingo. And they fly, they stand on top of una. They piece on our head, no know why? Because they're not the upgrades. You guys want the upgrades. People want to see the new things in you. They want to see you rebrand yourself. As best way break the work. The second was when I do it. They can't be kidding. Remember where you were. Remember where you were. Remember where you were. In my what way. All those old school saga. What you do, you know the renegade. Yes, I have a work here. Yes, I have a year. Or tell no matter you don't know your control. All those kind of old school saga. Bro! Try to upgrade. Try to upgrade. They work with your brain. Try to upgrade. Saga na you na. Yeah, he can't be kidding. No. Yes, I have give us proof. People will believe you. Yes, what this guy is saying, matter all. Or TV maki by but a matter way. There are this truth here. And we are total. How can you be doing broadcast for good 3 months with just one jalabia? Just one brand jalabia. You will be on live video in the evening with jalabia. You wake up early morning, first thing early morning at 6 o'clock. You will still wake up with that same jalabia. Still be on live broadcast. You will be on live broadcast in the afternoon with the same jalabia. You will be on live video every blessing for good 3 months. Bro, what's the problem? Are you okay? Whatever the cost for Germany, I don't understand. They buy water now to the bath for Germany. Bro, you know the bath. Your jalabia and wash and wear. I know they get some bros. How you tell the wash jalabia, they dry, they wear and again. But I'm not teach me that way now because if you like when you wear the make for the face, when I clothes I eat at the buy. Now so close I eat at the buy because I want to wear that new clothes come out. I don't understand you, bro. So I don't get you. I know, bro. When I help, I know that. I don't understand. This guy where they call it the office, where they wear one clothes. Not the advisor. Why the advisor? They wear how far? But how far when you change clothes? This your clothes what they wear. Oh, but we carry your on now. We change you more. Baba change clothes. Change clothes. I really like me. What understand? You are if you come with you, government want use less one paladin. Yes. Oh, voilà. Not be 6 children in Germany. Now, not this woman. This is happiness. The useless woman in Edo 247. This is the evil woman. In a door 247, this woman and Izzy were insulting, humiliating Mama Sharon. Even me will be mad, this girl, so upon the beauty camera. How far I pass for two of us? Me will be mad, just use my hand, make up just now, enter live video. Me and this woman, so how far I pass for the two of us? Area happiness in our soon. Happiness and the siblings. This girl, the father brought her to Europe at the age of 13 years. When I share this video, be everywhere cast. And now I come for you, my sister. You understand? I use how the look uses there. Now I come for you. And your stupid or robust husband. It's also coming out very soon. Don't play. All your details, I have everything man tight. And now I'm ready to bring my sick bone, chop the flesh and leave the bone. Hey, you boy, you collect water of my hand. Hey, don't 247. Wanna test come those people? Wow, oba do wa. Tabo we iye-eki hallelujah. If I go do, iye-eki hallelujah. My people, I greet you now with better style. There was a topic I brought us 2 months ago, or 3 months ago, about Edo 247, where some of our Edo sons and daughters in the diaspora cry out that Iye-eki Omg frauded 50 million naira alongside with these idiots. Una get my point now. Many of them go face the flashback, go face the remember. Why ye Afa? This woman was alongside with Iye-eki, where they gotta do that evil demonic acts. When Iye-eki they blast Mama Sharon, these were the supporters. This was the master planner of the evil they are doing back of the same. Not just to let that, my people. There is one lady where they always come here, they call the crack, where they call Big Itoan. The so-called Big Itoan. Now this woman, now make the man when he born picky for no great sign for picking. This one born 6 good children every week, or every week. This one with prick na 5 and 6. Knowing your happiness, never happiness. Ever happy in life of them. Ever happiness. Happy life about to happiness. Walk banana Jemmy. Una be 6 good children for Deutschland. Una be 6 good picking. Only you want born 6 children for Germany. Now we say Germany, not the try. But when I clap for Germany, not we person. How can you born 6 children for Germany? She doesn't work. Child benefits. Igamo, igao, iye, oh. Igamo na what do ena be where you be Germany? Or keep up like TikTok with Iye-eki. When Iye-eki go last month here? When Iye-eki go? Was not last month, last 2 months. When Iye-eki go Germany with a nogi. When they saga Golden, when they say Golden get belle, say Golden na what do they call her? Mississippi. Now this woman marriage they go for Germany. Now this idiot, this woman partner, when do face like level. When face be like a bony so. This a bony face. This useless woman, this olo shosho, olo wele. No so where they were. No de by zigaro ye Sharon. Di ba bona lawe na gbe na gbo. No balon ye Sharon me no na sunu ba we. O balon ye Sharon me to we almost on your times too. What do ya romani? Anything ya mo de ya si do wala jan do a we owa. O balon okoro boso do oni wa ho. Ikpe so zuwa life na. Mo robo sari agweze. O wonara mo la webo. And the siblings team up. Ma team up na mo nya fiega. Hundekia. Ekia ga re transforma. Okay, happiness yagwari. Oh, down. When I say 40 years, I'm 6. When you say 40 years, we have 12, 1 dozen. Football field, Enyimba, Canopilla. When we have Enyimba, confirm Enyimba. Confirm Enyimba team. Why me say bunch? Why be a having a colo? We are in happiness. We are happy. Happy ending when you have the children. We're not happy. Oh, we're happiness. I'm not happy. Mammy won't. Ah, Saloa. And you know soon the Sharon. Oh, yeah, soon the Wawi. Oh, soon the water. Oh, soon the Wawi. Who are you? What be when we are team more? Yaro Sharon. If I hear loud, if I'm not saying. We're not going to what be no getting baby. When I saw Aro Sharon, no, yeah, or racket. Oh, you are a woo, what they are here. When I get baby money. When I be an ekita, who are giving a puppy, you are just born every week with your belly. I want to be up my tour. Inya. Oh, him okay, make a disturb. Hey, don't come. One still remember inside. Every week with your belly. A happiness, never happy. Every week. Bon. Hey, bon girl. What happy? Now you bon pass. Sister Bonagay. A bonaboy, my beer seven. Now, why you want a bonaboy? Oh, my beer everywhere. A bona sister. Now you bon pass. Jamie, do me well. Child benefit. I'll be let what. Or to who anyway. Who a nigga baby. I shall come. Oh, no, show, low, well. If I will not allow it, oh, I lie on here. Almost like me. Bonwere agbe biagia agba shawo agbo yo kan okunati si ayari siewo okuna yo kan edeke mu ayoboka yelo ori so go edega mo le mi dollar wa amuno gemeleka biaga agbo waju je biaga uyu ye kia e kapi fi akori very useless woman. Oh, no, my nigga. A dirty woman to the core. Oh, no, I wear bona, yeah. This one there abroad. How can a woman be living in Deutschland, be dirty like this? Are you a Senegalistics? Well, I walk like a ray. We are one working. We are not being one. Is it anyone being familiar? Don't worry, why are you dirty like this? Well, you might have to be bleaching. When you waste on the snow, it's not always soaking. Now, we are going no backward. Sister, we're getting detergent in Nigeria. A clean. Only detergent, not a clean. Let them buy you a clean. Because they won't know more. Homo cannot solve your problem. Go and buy a clean. Why they clean? Lower drum. Soak like 2 gallons of clean. Inside that drum. Where drum is spending 2 months away. When you come out, it's we are churn because you are too dull. You are too dull in appearance. You are dull in makeup. You are dull in the brain. You are dull in the mind. You are evil woman. Nonsense. Bunch of village though. Oh no. Oh, what's what being what here we are. What do we marriage? You even on your married day. People they fear to spray you. They spray from distance. You just smell, sister say you smell. As I was see your picture come, it's not joke I talk. I said my fans go bring na picture come. You think I was joking? You know what where we are. You just smell. Why are you this? Why are you stinking? Ordinary perfume. Who said to me, Denu ya spray me? Child benefit no wayahu. I do 247. Wayahu, I azoye. I do 247. Emil, one kidney no raw. On here then winner. One kidney no running winner. All warere. All manipulate to what you wear when it be. You wear when it be. No, we have one kidney. Oh, you bet to, oh, baby, oh, you there, even a over, oh, you tower in a bed. Blah, blah. Here, my young set of women. Me no queer. Me will be man. I don't find past you. You will be woman with your beauty camera at this kind of time. You wait to now abroad you did. Sister, you there jam. You are dirty like this. You are ugly. You there abroad. You do face like ayelala. You do face like Ogboni. Who give you this Ogboni man? Ogbo Who give you this Ogboni man, sister? I ask you this question. You people are not hearing me. This woman now Germany you did. You did Germany. You not jam. You be like they grind. Now grind they grind you. See your face. Your face be like what they separate files. You be like plumb with a measure block. I don't understand. I don't know. A towel we bunda. If it's not for this nothing, I you not be plaster now. I you facing not be plaster. How can you be in abroad? You are dirty like this. Woman go there abroad. They don't go smell your armpits. You go near man, you go smell. You they do marriage. You want spring with marriage. Your odor they come out. Body odor. Come on. Oh, but you enter bleaching machine. So maybe if you bleach, you go see the odor go wipe away. You go bleach the odor. Where do I where cause they smell? I be your teeth they smell. I don't understand. They know we are wet boy. As a woman supposed to know, put your hand for your toto, your tio, put your hand for inside, put down for no, something is thinking, go to bedroom, go and washlize it. Go and washlize it as well. You get my point now? So if I talk to you, make the year, oh dog, man, you are too dog to my liking. They send you, cage man for us. You born for 6 good children. Before they go pay your bride price. 6 good children. Before one particular man, they bug you, po. How can you imagine? You just they born credits. You were born on credit. You are a born woman. You just a born on credit. You are a born woman. Until 2 months ago, before they go pay your bride price. They still pay bride price. After they spray money, spray celebrant. Let's spray the bride and the groom. You they was. You say wasn't things. Why you they smell? Perfume cheap for Germany. Better body perf than Germany. You know if you buy, you they collect money. Just imagine you as a woman, you have 6 children in Deutschland by people. They will do plus and minus. This one don't get money every month. They get us less than 4,000 euros. If they don't get money, they get like 4,000 euros every month. Press tap for me. How much is 4,000 euros in Naira? Go to your tap as you are watching me now. I give you 5 minutes. Enter your tap. Tap A, tap. How much is 5,000 euros compared to Naira? Oh yeah, now, ladies and gentlemen, as you are watching me now, enter your tap. Ask tap. How much is $5,000? Just the ask tap question. Me want ask Google. How much is 4,000 euro in Naira? No, I don't say dollar as well. Google 4,000 euro. How much in Naira? 6 million.
4,000 euros equals 6,764,000 Nigerian Nairas.
You the hear? You hear her? Go tell me again. How much is 4,000 euros to Naira?
4,000 euros equals 6,764,000 Nigerian Nairas.
Happiness, you don't finish. Even God go to saga you. God go say you are a greedy woman. God go see the saga you say they make not less than almost 5 million for a month. For a month for children head. Your children have started money making machine. You put out using children in Germany to make money. To make money. Tomorrow I go say children they spoil. When they born a chicken, what be like oh. Born again. You are born anyhow. Born again. You put a bunny. Continue born again. What be like? Be like batok buku. At the end of the day, no proper. TikTok. Those 247, those 247, they fraud you people and use the money to enjoy themselves. Easy over me. Yeah, I like food. They say I like food. I used to like food. Look, I love this recipe. I love this recipe. With I don't do for some money. I was zero. I have my bule. I have my mono. I have okobo. Yama set of women. When do we take guesses? Percy lost her daughter. These stupid women were bullying that woman who lost her only daughter. Her only daughter. Tell me where God no go punish her. Tell me where God no go punish her. Her only daughter, because the girl was brilliant. The girl was better than you all. In all ramifications of life, that girl was better than you all. Jealousy could enter. As we talk now, easy they see they wear shadow hair. Shadow with on, now they put for hair. If they wear shadow wig, the wig which shadow they put for hair, that is the wear now. Is it not refuse? If you refuse to return Sharon wig to Sharon to the mother, is it refuse to return the YouTube channel of Sharon to the mother? Una lock up. Una angry. You can imagine. The YouTube, no, this I go forget. Now after we don't forget, I'm going to upload with the watch. People will still following that channel. Have it in mind, YouTube not increase. Immediately you change name, you can say, so name like this has been changed. People will still talk at once. It's 9 days inside. Easier way. Oh, no, we might be another way. Just a friend who will take over the property of your friend. When you know that woman, born picky for life. You get mama for life. These are evil women. Women supporting evil. Who are also soon when they were. Unless they go on a hoya. They go on a clip. When we are so, when we are easy. We are easy. We are bully Sharon. Who are you? Who are you? Where are you? If you go where no, never like you wear it. Unelo, all are you wearing? Obuwa, we are. Everyone goes coffee. When you go on, two are you what be a queen? A joke. Now, reality. I wake me out of it. I never go to a year go to 1 year to sir. 1 year to sir. Come on at the Frankie. Who fight around now? We live to fight another day. No retreat, no surrender. You got my point now. For all my question, I look here. I'm still doing my investigation. I get information on a phone boy or information or the boy with the boss. I will still wake now. I will still let you know say again may rest in peace. Shall never rest in peace. Until you guys drop every details about Sharon, everything that concerns that woman, when I go drop onto the parents. That is when I'll get peace for the social media. That is when I will get peace. Very you can never know peace. If we are maybe we are war. Area, we already know there. Area we are here. We are on the year. Until everyone was here, be Sharon. Not company. Everything will be returned to the family. Very if we were here, easy. No talk with you. Okura Kurino, Moyamo. If you are this is Yamajefe, you are here. Yaga, my Polonia. Where are you seeing Akbola can, or Bebe, or Bebatube, or better call, better talk, Amaro. Amaro, Obiara Kipanako, what's you, woman, Malaria? Madama, Aga, Lala, here, all Reculega, what you maintenance. All Reculega, how what's your maintenance? Everyone swing. Am I going to live with the lower? Oh, I'm trying to play safe. Yari, oh. Here go what game when I'm going to work for. Who don't go on your happiness? Wow, when is a boy? We are making a face. The man is about Bonnie, a marking, a market. It's only a sticker. I'm a no. A man of when I mark away face away. They are everywhere. Happiness, God everywhere. Well, I'm going to my yellow, I don't ever give away. Very useless and ugly woman. Imagine the SOC thing. They can't do a woo. It can't even like we cannot do it. Cannot you cannot do it. Can is a gun. It can is a dead blood. Ekian is a dead Buddha. When I knew Ekian, Baba, oh, Ekian so zwa, I swear. Ekian so zwa, Ekian so come my guy, that mumu. Go play. Ekian me ya come. Some Buddha the situation de mumu. Cause real Buddha will get set to go. He not go feel race where this one to do the. Talk with the woods. The guys are going to go open because like the other way will come and go just for you. The other way, as you open you be wow. The other way will come out to go for you. Can we go? Man, I don't know if it is natural. Because me where the Buddha baby. But I have go who does it? I type for. Who does something now? Thank you very much. Go and clean up my sister. Go and clean up. By clean up here, we are the perfume. We are the better makeup bag. No one try to make up. They try to smile. Your face will look more soft. You understand? Remove bad mind before you to get evil mind. Eke when I hear support no we what me na it was so when I digbe. So women you did demonic natural. I don't know why. I mean we used to manage those kind of women, bros man a trial. Because even me will be man, even pity the woman. Because you go look and say if now my mama be this person. End of the only picture. You both here piano agbe. You know if this person if my mother, how she will feel? You don't understand? You will be say you be adult. You lost your own mama. But you still feel like your own mother was old. My father 100 years. My back by 1 o'clock when they come see my father by. But in daybreak I cannot sleep. I drink till daybreak. My fridge I load down with stout. That time I want to drink tennis. Now stout I want to drink. I load down with small stout. And for me, by your carry rubber come and by your top and me put for inside. By your mix with small stout. See that you put music. I heard they play music. The moon. But the moon for my room. I the drink behind the horse. I some weight. But I want to see money. How far. You just now your post for my timeline. I post and say a great Iroko tree has fallen. I post them. And then I would not say people did this life, they don't sleep. Bro, I post them. Never is 2 minutes. My phone don't read beam. Me not press you can only you go hardly see I post for my WhatsApp timeline. And I put it on Facebook, I put it on YouTube, I put it on my WhatsApp timeline. Never is 2 minutes, my phone don't read. Frank Vosunu. And then you post Vosunu. Then I lost my dad. Yeah, sorry. Alpha. I said, but friend, but really good. Life goes on. Now talk of a woman losing his own daughter. Her own only one and only daughter. They will still get married saga that a woman. Then why when I saga we not basis. We not basis you are a born woman. You the born woman. We not basis. When I dead by someone one kidney woman. You know the funniest part. You know, one kidney, you have to create evil. Because you know, see, life already did now 50-50. Or you 50-50, no. You not gather, you not be. You not manipulate, me, I just look now and laugh. She go did talk, go pack on, or climb up, and go tell the woman, say, yeah. Let me go now. How do you get one with cars over? I get one out food. Why man ask what man ask now? And why I go food? What man ask now? Why me am here? Mati Sharon Mayifo. Until easy go your moji. A YouTube channel where Sharon will return back to the mother. A week ahead of journey of your denonya with me. A week get Sharon is your moji muyu. Or return or return out more than go. A lot of Sharon always in the return. Is it though? Very long, yeah. Can you get Sharon or is he a stay? Is he has not returned a lot of things. Person we don't die, your best friend wake by. They wear clothes, they wear a wig. You just been a clapper for you. You if you don't arrive. The mother don't quench, never quench. Mother the night do yo. You get to my point now. Go marry a young one. What bazin? Now my red table see my proof for heads. This saw. This saw. You got the mama skill. Not balance it. I want you. Hag me and don't be joking. And you know what we're blocking now. Washi. Oh my God. This drink just chill. Oh my God. It's fucking coming. This drink is cold. This drink is fucking cold, man. Anna. Who is this idiot, man, on our live stream? Who is this idiot? See, that's this. Who is this mumma? What did this also want to do for my people? The other brother this year. Edo! Oh, Pablo, see the other brother up here. Your deputy governor. The deputy governor of Edo State, see the other brother. Pablo, Monday, oh, Pablo, I'm on the Sambia. Hey, deputy governor, where the government office is? I'll tell you not join him. Pablo, I'm on the Sambia. Where I met her? I want to when we as a deputy governor of Edo State. I'll tell you not join him. I met her when you. Well, I'm on the Zambia. Oh God, I don't die. Magne, what my guy. Now see me. Me, I go to your when I want to show me that I swear to God. TikTok, you don't go. Me, I disgrace who I go my guy. Hey, where I met her now? Hey, go. The movie don't make no cool. You get my point now. Oh, why to Sigo monda o ete nyenara na mamon ete otonagata mamon. Okay, Edo people agree to that. When are they getting about? I will give you bad red on what my people are able to sit down to talk. At this point of view, I will bring people come up. This will not be saga. We want just gist as family. And mind you, first of all, if you climb my platform, don't talk bad about palace, not trauma to palace. Now, this man, when we are yellow, so now be the elder brother of the deputy governor of Edo State, and the movie we are very moving just now. This is the former governor of Edo State, Mr. Obaseki. Now, this man say he called this one Ogionba, meaning the enemy of the kingdom, the enemy of the king. He said this is our governor, so now the enemy of the king, our governor Ogionba. Okay. Now, as you all know, Edo people, this man here was the one and only recognized Ogionba in Benin. How? With proof. If I talk, when I give me time, I want you to give you now. I want you to give you the proof. Anything we had to talk. And I want to see that proof. Get this one. Mr. Helen, báwo ni? Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ o. Ẹ kú gbádùn. Ọmọ ńkọ́? When I share the video, let's go there. We got a lot to talk about. No be joke. What years ago? Me I bring the video. Me I bring the. Oh, now my laptop. Wow. No, I remember. Now my laptop for sure. And my laptop that proof day. Okay. Many of you know the proof now videos. So be say this month they go drink water for Palace, which is the brother to the deputy governor of Edo State. Let me just see whether I get the picture from this my phone here. When they take naked of Palace, he was street naked in the palace of the Benin as the enemy of the kingdom. You understand? You get the reason why I bring this picture come out of it. We want you to analyze this matter so that we will know the enemy of our kingdom. Oh boy, see to Jesus. When do this thing to my phone? Oh boy. This my phone not corrupt too. Things too plenty for this phone. Alright. Still the matter of Easy Boy, I still look for the address. Anybody gets the address of Easy Boy in Benin, wanna give me a bag. Don't be joke. If you get the address of Easy Boy, I'll give 50,000 naira on the cab. You get the address of Easy Boy, where he stay, I'll give 50k. Send them on me. If I verify, I'll send you the money sharply. I don't make months. You understand? You see all those people where you follow on the top of TikTok. Me, I don't get their time. And now they don't come here come talk to Easy Boy. I want you to show and say that brain will not get so when if you say get sense. One let them say not get sense. You understand? I want to let Easy Boy know that Easy Boy has no brain, bro. Okay, sharply, quick one. You see this man, this deputy governor brother, the elder brother of the deputy governor of Edo State. He go Benin after he don't throw mat to our kingdom, to the Oba of Benin many years ago. Then he can't go Benin, he can't go Palace by himself. He can't go take picture with some chiefs for Palace. Then they call the he can't, not be you the we call the insult Palace. But then the guy run. As he run, they'll still send the own in-law. Then they send me go bring up commands. Because that in-law so now he will tell that in-law which is Tony Kabaka. So they can't go Palace. Come go drink water, they come push one, they come beat down, naked down, use nakedness, chase up from Palace as the enemy of the kingdom. They sing the enemy song, follow and come out for Palace that day. You understand? Thank God. Now this man so is the enemy of the kingdom. He was the one campaigning for this our former governor. This is the former governor of Edo State. He was the one campaigning for former governor of Edo State then. After the campaign, when the governor win, he went to Benin. He has a handshake with the governor. The governor give them money. They can't share the money. The money constantly leads to quarrel for sack for social media. All of them are weakness now for a year. Now today, this enemy of the Benin kingdom. So they let us understand and say this man is the enemy of the Benin kingdom. Due to say they get issue with Palace about artifacts where it will lead to bad goes between chiefs and the money where they want to pay the rest chiefs. This man can't join some chiefs carry our royal palace go courts. which is an abomination, will make this man become the enemy of the Benin kingdom today, which we all know. No pretense. He tried for Benin, he walk, no doubt. But that act when he do so is an enemy of the Benin kingdom, which is this governor. Now, my people, the same Edo people, where my problem did now, the same Edo people where they call this man enemy of the Benin kingdom, the same people work with this man when this man did street for Benin. The same people where they call this man enemy of the Benins, they were the same people who this man was using till they work for Benin. The same people where they call it Obaseki Ogyoba today. Now the same day still chop from Ogyoba money. The same people where they call this man Ogyoba today now, where they make noise. The same day now they still give cow to for his birthday. E.g. Tony Kabaka, where this man goes gift and cow. When Apostle Casey come out, call the shots. Say, well, I'll give Tony Kabaka cow. Then we work for him. He not give the cow. Tony Kabaka will call the user to sing under the mango tree, under the mango tree. You know, many songs. He go give Tony Kabaka cow. The same people eat under the same Orionba. So who are they? They are also Orionba. I know, as I talk about the carry head the not concern me. I don't talk about. I was not big the one. Orionba wa soon when they were. That's the reason why you see Edo not go feel better. You know why? Because the people where they follow the governor now, they are the people that kill Edo. If I needed Bedo or the governor now, it just be like these people work with this man. As this man career ends, oh yeah, they twin to the next person. Any party will win, they clap and follow him. Now be Edo people own. The same evil set of people who destroy the states under this man regime, they are the same people decamping meet Okpeboro today. We Okpeboro see they give work to. Will they still work? As this man get action reach, if they not feel repair those states, if they don't feel good with this man produce man action. Now tell me, Okpeboro will be illiterate. Where be mune slow poison, emune, where they talk like 10 years old brain. You understand? Where they talk like people they really born. Why escape in bedside? Now I feel repair those teeth. We are finished. We are finished. We are gone. Otilo, it don't go. I tell people we are finished. Hey. I don't my prick. I want you. I don't tell you I'm not build that for Benin. When I will go build that for Benin, you on your own. If somebody like this that have action, this Mr. Blockhouse, I see you out of Wegbe. Somebody like this will get action, not feel repair those things. And they say this man not good. Emma. I swear. If Edo people not praise Obaseki before 8 years finish, no say no one. If Edo people not praise Obaseki, we not gonna say no be one. If our markets women not praise Obaseki, they don't even praise ourselves. People will enter, never reach 2 months. 1 year and 6 months old pikin die for the good. But during this marriage, that kind of thing not play. A lot of nonsense what they see now, he don't play. Now this man stop Ashawo for Iyama. But during that period of stopping Ashawo, you hear I say they carry Ashawo go a Bosto capacity law go to spend money for Ashawo Nyash. It not happen. When this man is stop Ashawo, you see the molest any Ashawo, he can come out for social media and cry. It not happen. Now say this man not good. Una go suffer. This one way enter so. This push and starts. What we are like the man say, I'm going to give Edo people insecurity. The man they talk like robots. Say, my name is Okpeboro. I'm Senator Monday. Even to talk in name the fear. The governor speak with fears. My name is Senator Monday Okpero. I go to Umenwan primary school. When I was growing up, it was bad water that killed my sister, my only sister. And I decided to put it upon myself. I was doing organizer. The best money I have, and I used to put borehole in my community so that they will get water. When the people now see that I'm doing well, I was the first person that created borehole in my community. They now say, okay, I can go for senator. That was how I proved for senator. Now I'm not coming for governor. By the special grace of God, we are going to win this election. And I promise, I told people, if I win, I'm going to give you insecurity. Oh, cannot be security. No, you see, you're going to give them security. Okay, sorry. I'm going to give you insecurity. My people, good afternoon, my people. We are going to read as the governor of Edo State. My name is Senator Monday Okpero. I want to read the budget of the year 2025. And then 16 million 622 billion. Sorry. 16 million 16 billion. Sorry. 16 million 622 trillion. Sorry. 16,600 million 622 billion. Sorry. A city governor who cannot read alphabets. As brilliant as Edo's sons and daughters, Edo State have 66% of illiterates. Not 50% of 66% of illiterates. Edo State have 66% of illiterates. Then they end up having an illiterate as a governor. It's so shameful and embarrassing. Not be loud. Hello? Hello, good evening. Good evening, ma'am. I greet you. What? Real life video, ready to talk. Okay, what matter?
It's confusing me.
It's confusing me. Oh my God. Oh, why is confusing it? But people, that is it. You see, as we talk the children, they go say you support Obaseki. No, right from time. That is it. You see, as we talk the children, they go say you support Obaseki. No, right from time. You do. Where would that talk? This one, where you go? It's going. I don't know the story. 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 For the lie. Those people traveling. This man. Okay, the Murphy. That when I reborn, they get the reborn B. You got my point now. Wow, Abasaki, via quella nera. Ik me via your name. Parce que n'est qu'à Watan. Regardez quelle autre chose à Watan. Oh my God! Is this one get picking? There's no person cannot get picking. But use me do your picking now. Adopt me free of charge. Let me just be your son. Oh, but I'm over two people. That when I reborn, they get the reborn B. You got my point now. Wow, Abasaki nera, via quella nera. Ik me via your name. Parce que n'est qu'à Watan. Regardez quelle autre chose à Watan. Oh my God! Is this one? Ik me via your name. Ik me via your name. Adopt me free of charge. Regardez quelle autre chose à Watan. Quelle autre chose à Watan. But is this one get picking? Get picking. I got two big people. Don't use me do your picking now. Don't use me do your picking now. What present? Adopt me free of charge. Adopt me free of charge. Let me just be your son. Let me just be your son. Who are for national peace to reign? Memo Seki Wenari. This is a Ogumba family. Oh, this is Kuruku. This is chicken. Happy Christmas, everybody. I want chicken. This is a huko. One batch. One batch chicken. This boss me. Me would want to go back for person hand. Make us research it too. Don't buy chicken for this Christmas. You want to buy boss me. You boss me. And get different people get this chicken. Get different people this chicken. But the one cheap pass. Now get now is about 4 different people with this chicken. Yeah, I just want to make them. Yes. One get particular na huge. Yes. And the guy won't choose now. You give the guy this particular gets to number. So then people will block money for free. Get different people in this search. But the one she pass. Now get that is about 4 different people in this chicken. Yeah, I just want to make them. Yes. One get particular na huge. Yes. And the guy won't choose now. You give the guy this particular gets to number. So then people will block money for free. So person plenty man go you say one go to Jesus for you. Tell am say no. You gotta do it all and it's for GRA. And don't forget what I do. See? Why? Oma, ya go wa vat. Ya go wa vat. Me, I first listen to the voice record first of the position of the 1x2. Iye-eki lagbalagba le romo. Okay, Obagi 1x2. Pada one yeah before the show you wedding. Obagi 1x2. Pada one yeah before the show you wedding. Price not deal with not to be price. So if you are interested, you can call. Then I'll give you the control. Go and make your findings.